What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add glitch transition effect in CapCut PC. First of all, drag and drop video clips in CapCut PC, and then you guys keep video files side by side where you want to add a transition effect without any space like this. So here you can see there is no space or no gap. Then go to transition effect, transition option, and then here search for glitch. You can see multiple glitch option. From here you can select anyone to apply in your video. And to add this one, so drag and drop into a position where you want to add your glitch effect. After applying, you can see the changes. You can also change the duration of your glitch, like select the glitch or select the transition effect, then reduce or decrease your transition time. And that's it. It's a very simple process to apply a glitch transition effect in a video. Thanks for watching.